Hello everyone, welcome to Jasmine Technologies Limited, where we deal with security equipment, CCTV, access control, biometrics, and the rest, voice over IP. Before me here is the Carlos VC13. It's a 4G camera with triple lens. It's a solar powered camera, and we're selling it together with a 64 GB memory card, and the pricing is ranging from 9500 onwards. It has motion detection. You can see when it senses motion, it lights up the infrared, or rather the white lights. It's solar powered. You can get this camera from us here at Jasmine Technology Limited at only 9500 shillings. Thank you.